Vermilion County in south-central Mississippi, northern Forest County in southeastern Mississippi, southern Covington County in southeastern Mississippi, northern Lamar County in southeastern Mississippi, southwestern Jones County in southeastern Mississippi, southern Jefferson Davis County in south-central Mississippi, until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bassfield, or 11 miles southeast of Prentice, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Summerall, Melba, and improve around 10:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hattiesburg around 11:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. West Hattiesburg, Oak Grove, and Rawls Springs around 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Pine Ridge around 11:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Petal around 11:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Sunrise around 11:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Lamar and Marion.